guys, my name's Sarah and I've run Bessie's Bakery for the last 4 years, making celebration cakes and all sorts of other goodies like cupcake bouquets for all my lovely customers. My hope in starting this channel is that I can share some of my experience with you all and give you some tips and tricks for making your cakes fabulous. So my first video is a tutorial on how to crumb coat a cake and cover it in fondant icing, which hopefully you'll find useful. Do put in the comments any future tutorials that you would like me to do, and I will do my best to fulfill your requests. And I have a website where you can get ideas for your next cake creations at bessiesbakery.co.uk. And I've done a little video montage of my most recent creations for you to admire, because who doesn't like a video montage? Love that. Okay, thanks for listening guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.